So yesterday I was showing you guys how I dye my rawhide string. I put this string in brown dye. Let's see how it turned out. Now, if you saw my video yesterday, you know that this is just coffee, not really brown dye necessarily, but it works just the same for rawhide string. Pulling this out now and we'll see how it looks. This is pretty dark, really. This is really gonna darken up when it dries. When it's wet like this, it'll still have kind of a pale color. But I'm really happy with how this turned out. Now the next thing that I'm going to do with this is let it dry out. I'm just going to let it get completely dry, and then I'll be ready to see how it turned out color-wise, and then be ready to soak it again to start cutting it up for string. You can see how much darker this string is now. It's had a chance to dry for a couple of days, and the next thing we're going to do is temper it back up so that we can move to the string cutter and cut it into our final string for braiding. All right, we've cased up our Soga string now, and we're going to go ahead and cut this into string, pull it out of my bag, and we'll straighten this out just a little bit. Grab that with my pliers just for the convenience of it, and we'll pull this straight in. Now we'll pull this through our beveler. And now here's our final string.